Hi, my name is Michael, and today we're gonna talk about one of the easiest to use yet one of the most profitable trading strategy based on M.A.C.D indicator. It will help you to better understand the price movement and better analyze the charts because it allows you to trade on corrections and price pullbacks. So, without further ado, let's switch to the screen view and move on with the topic. First, we need to log into our account. Click on that. And next we should choose the trading instrument. So for the purpose of this video, let's choose our famous EUR-USD pair. Price chart shows up. Okay. And this strategy works best on M30 and 1H time frame. So let's switch to 1 hour time frame, for example. Okay. Now on the left upper side of the chart window, we have the button indicators. Press on that, search bar shows up, type M.A.C.D, click, and it is automatically added below our price chart. So next, from what M.A.C.D is built of? It consists of 3 types of moving average lines: the blue one, the red one, and this red field stochastic. It gives you the prediction of the price movement and the clear signal where to buy or sell. So, the signal is given when the blue colored line crosses the red one, and also at the same time this red field changes from the lower side to the upper side. So for example, that is the signal to buy, because the blue colored line crosses the red one from the bottom to the top. For the sell signal, it needs to go in the opposite direction. So from the top to the bottom. And of course this red field goes along with it. So when we have all the theory behind us, let's place some trade. So for example, right here we have the clear signal to sell, because the blue colored line crosses the red one from the top to the bottom side. And down below, of course, the stochastic goes along with it, from the top to the bottom side. So next, let's go for the section opening of a trade on the right side. The button sell is already chosen. Down below, let's choose the amount of volume. So for my account, I will go with 0.25 lots. Okay, and choose the closing conditions. There's take profit and stop loss, which basically means how much money you want to earn and how much money you want to lose on this particular trade. So stop loss and take profit can be set based on amount of money you want to earn, amount of movement, and of course on the specified close price. For this particular trade, let's choose the take profit somewhere around 15 euros, like this. And the stop loss, we will go for the 10 euros. It should be minus, of course. And down below you can see all is set, all clear we have. So just press sell, quick confirmation, and yeah, we're good to go to make some profit. So now we should just wait. As you saw, the trade was closed automatically. Let's just check the trading history. It was closed in profit. Down below you have the available asset total. It was refreshed. So that was my must-learn trading strategy for beginners. Hope you enjoy it. Wish you all big profits, and yeah, take care. See you next time. Bye.